Hi guys, so here's an update nobody asked for. So it's day one after I had Supreme hair lamination for my hair, of course. And yeah, but before that, I'll explain na lang. So what happened yesterday, I went to the salon and then I want a bob for all the girlies out there. You know, what's a bob? So I want a bob and then um, the hairdresser was kinda na problema siya if bagay lang ba or sa ako ang mag-bob because there's a tendency for my hair to kanang mag-fly away. So what happens, I said, oh, maybe you can add some layers na lang, soft layers. So that's what happened. My hair is a bob with some soft layers and curtain bangs here. Dako man kayo taog agtang. So to cover that up kuno. Yesterday, my hair was so gorgeous, but it's still gorgeous pa man, the treatment. It's just that my haircut. Yesterday, it was ironed like that. Para mura bitaw siya o pop pa-inward siya. And now, I can't iron it because it's a treatment gani. Got treatment gani ta sa hair tapos atuan na nung i-iron. So that's what's making me worry right now. Yeah, very simple, but yeah, because it doesn't look like it yesterday. So, yesterday, after I went to the salon, then pag afternoon, I went to Ayala just to buy this one roller brush so I could do it like this. However, because after the treatment, my hair is so soft, I kind of have a hard time doing it, and I don't want to iron this one. And also, the hairdresser told me not to iron because nag-treatment gani ita, and then you're gonna apply heat na noon, so it's like you're damaging your hair again. So what's the purpose of having the treatment? So mao ni siya akong problem. Magsige kung inani niya dili siya lisod kaayo siya kay soft kaayo kong hair, di siya mo stick. Mao na ni siya karon. Gahapon lipay pa kaayo ko sa akong hair, but I kinda sense naman that I'd be having problems. But I really want to have short hair, man good. I love having short hair, Jude. Now, mauna ni room. The the bob soft layers is they're there pa man. The problem is they won't be emphasized. And then kung di man sa nato ipa-treat atong hair, mura man sa taog. We always look like lion, lioness. No, not lioness, lion, Jude. Ay, sorry na ego. So that's the problem na. And then, mauni siya karon akong giproblema. So, inig mabasa na ni siya. Actually, I won't be like di na ko siya pwede i-wet akong hair for 3 days. So, inig wet ani sa akong hair, mawa na dyan ang effect sa iron. Then after ana, ma-flat na ni siya. So, di na the layers won't be emphasized, and I love having the soft layers right there. No ni siya kung gi-problem kay when I go to work, ay ko na mag-inani lang ko, magatubang sa akong PC. Ang workstation, ma-FYI ko sa mong HR. Ano siya ang problem ron? Kaya makita ko sa CCTV na imbis na narbaho, sige naman, inong kukuting kay sa akong buhok. Wrong, I really think this is one of my wrong decisions. I should have not asked for layers na lang. Kuan man good the layers to avoid looking like I always have buhaghag na hair, ugly hair. So I remember, I'll just have soft layers because mulagi, pwede siya mo fly away. I know, di siya mo flare, pero di siya murag, kaya kung whenever I have short hair and it's not treated or not rebonded, it's very fluffy, frizzy, and fluffy. I forgot na I have treatment, I had it treated, so, ano siya, it's so hard to, I don't like it when it's flat. Can you guys help me out, or someone can help me out? Actually, if maka-feel mo that the video is very like low qual, or maybe because of the light, it's because I did this video at night na because I was so busy doing all the household chores, the laundry, because I do my laundry here sa city. Yeah. But look at that. Ano niya siya ang back. I can see. Mag-anak ko ani dito. Hindi pa doon siya mong sunod. My gosh. Na may masuggest except nga mag-like iron or mag-thermal brush ka na lang. I'm planning hair rollers. I'm asking the salon pa. I'm waiting for their reply. But it's Sunday. So, ma-auto siya. Problem dun. Yesterday, I was so happy with the come out. Now, it's kinda not. Because maybe I'm just overreacting. Maybe. But yeah. My life won't end here, man. So, bye, guys. Tomorrow, I'll be giving you an update again sa day 2 kung saan akong buhok. Straight ba siya? Balik sa og kulot. Bye, guys.